right, so today we will be doing a little bit of cleaning and organization, moving some things around, getting a couple of things done. So right now my pillows are fighting for their life, so we're gonna work on that. The chair needs to be moved to its rightful place. This table does as well. TV and lights need to go to the garage. The tree is going to go to my daughter's room so we can decorate it for Valentine's Day. We have been decorating our tree for Christmas and Halloween first and then Christmas and sometimes fall in between. Not usually. But this year we're gonna go ahead and add Valentine's Day to our lineup. I need to bring the ottoman back in here. Also need to work on this. This bag needs to go to the car. That is for my cousin. There's some Christmas stuff on here. Those bags and stuff that need to go to the garage that have decorations that we took off the tree and everything already. And then, some stuff that I've been working on, paperwork and things that need to be gone through. That's not all going to get done today, but it'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there eventually. That's all that matters. So yeah, vacuum with the good vacuum and move some stuff and get some stuff done. So join me in a little cleaning and organization fun today. Just a little. All right, we gotta figure this out real quick. It's all tangled. My daughter took these off from outside. She took them down from outside and didn't roll them around her arm like I taught her to. So they're tangled. Very, very tangled. Literally a whole little thing that thankfully the Christmas tree has lights on it. These were just for outside. I think we have another set for, yeah, we do. We didn't use them this year though. Oh boy. So yeah, thankfully the Christmas tree has lights on it. So I took it to my daughter's room already. I don't know why, but forgot to press record. I'll get there, guys. So, sorry on that though, but I'll definitely post something of us decorating it and all of that type of stuff like that. Probably going to get the decorations too. Probably just gonna go to the dollar store and grab a few things. Nothing too crazy. Okay, almost done. Just got this little bit left, and we can get these rolled up right now. I'm just putting the detangled part over my shoulder and the detangled part over my shoulder so that I could get these undone. I just realized I never actually properly introduced myself. So, hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is actually my very first YouTube video, which feels so surreal to say out loud. I've always wanted to start a channel, and I finally feel like I'm in a place where I have the time and the clarity to really pour into it, so here we are. This is going to be a niche-free space, but in the best way. We're going to get into cleaning and organization because clearly we're starting there. But also health, wellness, travel, hair, fashion, just life. I'm a mom, a girl mom, and I also have my little kitty son. I'm from the Bay Area, and I love being from here. This is like the best place ever. I'm also a millennial. I love anything creative, interior design, music, sports, entertainment. I just love real life, beautiful life, simple life, and also fun, big moments as well. So this channel is just going to be that. My life, realistic, evolving, growing. And if you're here at the very beginning, thank you. I'm really excited to share this journey with you and see where it goes. Oh, and also, my name is Kanai Divine. Everybody just calls me Nai, but Yeah, I forgot that part.
Wrap it. Wrap it. Keep wrapping. Almost done. There we go. Just gotta undo this little box. Oh no, it got some rust on it from being outside in that weather. It said it was weatherproof though. I'm gonna have to look on Amazon. Alright. Now, let's just wrap it a little bit. Wrap it. Put it through. There we go. Lights are done. Let's move this TV out of here. This bad boy needs to go to the garage. So, put this over here. And the lights, as well as this other stuff from over here, needs to go downstairs to the garage. Put my shoes there so they're not playing. And I forgot to move the camera again. Sorry guys. Let me come get the camera. Let me come get the camera. Camera. This is in here. That's for later. Okay, this table, y'all. I think I'm gonna just put it over there by the window for now until we can get it to where I want it to be. Let's see. All right, so this is a rainbow. This is my vacuum. Well, it's not really a vacuum. Call it a vacuum. You hurt his feelings. Or at least that's what they taught us when I worked for this company when I was young. So basically, this is a wet, not a wet, Jesus. Okay. So this is a rainbow. This is a vacuum system. It also cleans the air. It does a lot of different things. I'll do a video on that one day. But right now, I'm just going to explain how it works as a vacuum. We're going to use it today to vacuum. So it has a water tank here. It's much better to use a vacuum with water than it is to use a vacuum without water, with a bag or a canister, because the dust is going to fly everywhere. The water will absorb the dust and all the particles of everything that you vacuum up. Much better for everyone. Really recommended for people with allergies and stuff. This is an older model one. This is why the handle keeps falling back. This company, I used to work for this company when I was young. Very short time, like it just wasn't working. It's all sales. They make you think it's not, but it is. Or at least that's how it was back then. And yeah, you have to own a home, be married, all these different things to buy one, or you can just buy one on Marketplace. Like I said, this is an older one. There are newer ones, much newer ones. and they do lots of things. There's a carpet attachment, there's lots of stuff. But like I said, I'm not gonna explain all that right now, but I will do a video on that at some point. I'm gonna bring this way since it wants to keep falling. And so this, take that off, press this, usually with your foot, in the water tank. That's right. Let me go get the water. I'm only gonna fill the water to the fill line. I'm gonna set it back down. Put it back on. Make sure it's locked. Bring the caster back. Put that back in there. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to move this chair first. So let's do that. Oh boy. This chair is heavy. Oh, let's see if my DoorDash is here. Okay, so once you get the water in there, it has multiple different settings. Once you're done, like I said, this is how you get it off. This, other one on the other side. And granted, my floor wasn't that dirty, but that's pretty much, that's a lot to me. Here, let me put it where you guys can see it better. So, water's not crazy dirty, but it definitely ain't clear no more. It's crazy. So, water vacuum, much better than a traditional canister or bag vacuum, so that you can grab all that dust. That is why the water is gray, from the dust. It's mostly dust, because I have a dust problem in this apartment. I swear this area just has it, supposedly, but yeah, we just have a lot of dust issues here. So, I'm not surprised there's a lot of dust in here. That's also why I use this one more. My daughter hates using it, so I do have a regular shark vacuum as well. So, all right, let's pour this water out. All right, so since this water isn't that bad, I'm gonna pour it in the sink. Sometimes the water can get like black, thick, chunky, disgusting. Depends on what's going on, whatever you're cleaning, because that thing can clean all types of stuff. Here we go. You see all those dust particles and crumpy? Yuck. Yuck. Look at that, look at that. Just yuck. All right, we don't have to clean her, but little rinsey rinse. No big deal. I'm gonna let her dry and go pick up the rest. Put the vacuum away. Ottoman coming. Okay. My kid got glitter and all types of stuff all over this thing. I had to get off. But it's alright. I got it off. It's good. Alright, let's get this couch wiped off some here. Alright, clean the couch. Just a little wipe. My cat. I love kitty back. Kitty be making a dang old mess at times. And we're good now. That table doesn't usually go in the window there, but it'll go there for now. I'll move it eventually. Eventually, we're gonna rearrange this whole room, move the TV to that wall where that picture is, that artwork is, and do a few little things in here. Eventually get a new couch. I have to find one. I cannot find one, but she's clean. Thanks for cleaning with me. Appreciate y'all.